Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add contact on your Tinder app by using phone numbers or emails. So first, open the Tinder app on a mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go ahead and tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Here, scroll down until you see block contacts. Then tap on block contacts. Here, go and tap on the plus icon next to the three dots on the top right. And here you can enter the name, phone number or email of a person you want to add. And after you have filled all these three informations, you can tap on done on the top right corner. And this is how you can add contacts on your Tinder. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.